What's good, folks? Frank here, Cheers Up Cinema. And today we're going to swap it up this morning and we're going to tell you about this horror 5-pack movie collection that we marathoned yesterday. Going into these, sometimes you have no clue what you're going to watch. Sometimes you might find a gem, sometimes you might find none. But honestly, this time I feel like I came out with at least one gem. This was the one I really liked, Lurking Fear. My Sweet Killer was Followed Home was the worst. Final Remains was and then you got Butchered, which was actually pretty decent. So 5 different films, totally different times. I think you got one from the 90s, you got some from the 2000s, 2010s, but just all across the board, just some random stuff. Let me show you the disc here. But yeah, the one we want to talk about is Lurking Fear. Has anybody ever seen this one? It came out in 1994. It's kind of like a H.P. Lovecraft inspired story. I think it was by C. Courtney Joyner. I believe he did a couple other movies, maybe the Demonic Toys versus the Puppets, and then a few other things. But this film was actually pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. It's basically takes place in this small town. We have a church setting, we have a cemetery. You basically have a group of bandits that are trying to find this grave which had a lot of money in it. So you kind of got 2 different plots going at once. All the meanwhile, you have these underground city dweller type things, kind of like Chud, but they're their own thing, kind of like a midnight meat train, and they've just been there for 20 years basically, terrorizing the humans and stuff. So honestly, it was pretty cool film. So if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to check this one out. But other than that, give me a like and a follow over here at Cheers Up Cinema. If you have any questions, give me a shout.